Hey guys, we received this Metka elastic tubular support bandages for test and try. It's a big box as you can see and a natural color with a large knee support bandages or any other support. Uh, so this is a cotton spandex material. Let me just open this up. So you can see this is a big roll and you can cut it up to your desired length. So this is a really comfortable and flexible material that can easily take up the shape and the size, and you can cover your wounds or anything with it. You can also wash them and use them again. So this is pretty nice, and you can see that the feel is really comfortable, and you can easily stretch and take the shape. So cut it to the desired length, put it on your wounds, and you can easily clean up or wash them in the machine and reuse them. So very nice bandages.